Brad Williams, Excel Prime, using choose rows. My quasi-list, we're going to output rows 1, 3, and 4 into a new list. Here's how we do it. This is something you can change on your own. This is the row numbers in C2 to E2. You can change these within the dimensions of your list. If you want to make this 2222, you're going to get 2222. I'll show you. Tap, tap, tap. And you're going to get the same output other than the random change in the random data here. You're going to get whatever you just inputted into the row numbers. I'm going to put 1, tab, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. And you can see how we switch that up. Choose rows. Again, we're using this return a given rows from a cell list. We have this C2E2, which is just the row number. Hit F9, as I pointed out, and you can mess around with this right up if you need to. Quasi-list, you're not going to find any books. That's my terminology. You can name it as you like. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.